Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. Now, the most common conditions that we see in the office are back pains and knee pains or knee arthritis. All right. So, a lot of people ask me, why is that so? What contributes or what predisposes them to have back pains and knee arthritis? Now, there's a lot of different reasons, there's a lot of different factors involved there, right? This is not considering any trauma or accidents. These are just natural causes, or we can say natural causes. One of the most common reason why a lot of people have back pain and knee arthritis or knee pains is because of being overweight. All right. The CDC has shown that in 2016, almost 40% of Americans are obese. And this gives you an idea, this is around 93 million American adults are obese. All right. So that's a very big number. Now, if you're thinking, okay, how does my weight affect, my knees, affect my back? How does the weight affect my pain? What I'm gonna say is, to give you an idea, each pound that you lose is equivalent to 4 pounds of pressure that you take off of your knees and your back. All right, so that's a significant amount of force for each pound that you lose. So 1 pound of weight that you lose is equivalent to 4 pounds of pressure that you take off, of your back and knees, take off of your joints. All right, so aside from, when patients come in with, knee arthritis, with back pains, or even hip issues, aside from the modalities that we use to help them speed up the recovery, aside from the movements that we love to use to get people healthy, aside from the exercises, and aside from the manual therapy that we do on the patients, one advice that I always give them is to start losing weight. And that is the reason why. Because if you start losing weight, then you actually get better faster. Combine that with the whole other therapy stuff that we do, overall you just get better, you improve faster, you get better faster. That way you'll be able to become productive again, you'll be able to go back to work, or you'll be able to play with your kids, you'll be able to hang out, and you actually will be healthier overall, not only with your aches and pain, but in general health. It will extend your lifespan. All right, so that's one advice that I always like to give to the patients. I know it's not a very popular advice. A lot of people tell me, it's hard. And not only that, a lot of people tell me that they're losing weight. And just, as a side note here, this funny story that I hear, or line that I hear from patients all the time. So each time they come in, that I ask them about, how's your weight? And that certain people will keep telling me, oh, I lost 4 pounds, I lost 4 pounds. And in my mind, I'm thinking, if each time I ask you that and you lost that much weight, that means you should have been skinny by the end of their therapy, their therapy plan of care. So I just feel like people just keep saying that and not really doing it. I hope by giving you this answer and watching this video, this will give you an idea of the importance of losing weight, and this will get you motivated to start losing weight today, because that will affect how you are, like your back, your knees with the arthritis, and this is going to affect your pain. All right, so hopefully this convinced you to do that. Definitely start trying to lose weight today. Okay, don't wait much further. All right, I would love to hear your feedback. Feel free to leave your comments below, and feel free to share this with your friends and family. Hopefully they'll benefit from it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video of Get Active and Fit with Reggie. Bye.